Good morning, Beardsley Bears. How are you today?
Good morning, everybody.
Good morning. It is Friday, September 25th. Hard to believe we're already almost finished. This is the last Friday of the month. Whoa. Could you believe
it?
Martha?
We've already been in school for how many weeks? Like 6, 7?
Next week will be 8 weeks. Next week will be our 8th week. Amazing. So let's get started today. Today is going to be our last assembly for September, but we have exciting news to share with you later for next week. So let's go ahead and get started with our flag salute. Miss Martha, do you mind leading us in the flag salute while I hold up our flag?
I will.
All right.
Okay, everybody, if you can please stand and put your right hand over your heart. Ready, begin. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Thank you, everybody.
Thank you. Okay, today is actually another short one, but don't worry because next week we have our Student of the Month Assembly. So Ms. Martha will share information with you about that later. Super excited. Boys and girls, as a reminder, if you are in preschool all the way to 5th grade, next week is Parent Conference Week. So your moms and dads, your guardians, they'll be meeting with your teacher. Some of you will be invited to attend as well to go over, really the meeting's all about you, what you're doing that's great, where your strengths are, what you may need some support in, how you're doing during distance learning, especially attendance, being on time, and participation. Remember, this is school, we're just on a computer. So boys and girls, that is our announcement for today. We are excited. I hope you are all wearing your spirit gear. And again, kindergarteners, and new students, we will be sending out information so that you get first chance at the shirts we have in stock. So look out for that in this week's memo. Again, that is for our new kiddos. So boys and girls, I wanted to say thank you for those of you watching, and I brought a special super duper.
What is that?
I can see kids all the way into the computer with us. See?
Whoa!
I think I see Natalie and Trinity.
Oh, I see her too.
I see Cameron.
Wow.
Ethan. Oh, is that? Oh, I got to check a little later. I have so many more that I can see. And
oh my gosh.
Just a bit. But Miss Martha, I want you to share your news before I use my super duper seeing beam a little later. So boys and girls, without further ado, join me in Miss Martha's news.
All right, everybody. Well, I only have one thing to say, which is to let you know that next week, like Ms. Romero said, we will be honoring students for Student of the Month for having a positive attitude. Because like Ms. Romero said, we've been in school almost 8 weeks already. That means you're 8 weeks smarter and 8 weeks of having positive attitudes and working hard to get used to logging in at the right time, where to turn in your assignments, the other platforms we're using like ST Math, Imagine Learning, and Espanol, Raz Kids, Epic. There's just so many that we're using, MobiMax. So hopefully you are having a positive attitude when you're logging into them, because sometimes you have trouble logging in, and that's okay, as long as you have a positive attitude. So next week, we will be honoring more students for that. And you know what? I went into the cafeteria today, and I saw some certificates from August still in there. Friends, that's free yogurt. free frozen yogurt that you are leaving behind, just sitting there. It's melting, waiting for you. So if you have not, whoa, it's Miss Romero. It's melting. So please, if you have not picked up your certificate from last month for Student of the Month, come on by. Mr. Cameron, Mr. Carlos, they're usually in the cafeteria, and we can make sure that you get it so you get your free yogurt. And for those that will be honored next week, same thing. Your certificates will be in the cafeteria ready for you to come pick up. So hopefully, like you see us wearing our shirts, today is Friday. Every Friday is Beardsley Spirit Day. So every Friday, make sure you are wearing your shirts. And also, we will be letting you know, because you're also growing. So maybe you're outgrowing your shirt, or maybe you just want a new one. So we will make sure that that information gets sent out as soon as we have it. So that way everybody can participate and show their Beardsley pride.
All right. Well, thank you, Miss Mata. And that is our news for today. But again, don't forget to ask your parents about those weekly memos, because we're going to be having Spirit Days coming up in October. And again, every Friday. So let me see while we get started for our chant. Ooh, I see Eli. Hi, Eli.
Hi.
And I see Jack and Emmanuel. Ooh, I see a couple Allisons and Jennifers. Look.
I'm so glad you're here.
Huh?
I'm so glad that they're here to watch with us.
I know, me too. So we'll see if we see anybody at the end, but wow, do I see a lot of people. I even, you know who I saw? Oh, I see Fabian and Ozzy. Is that you? How you doing? I see you. What's up? All right, boys and girls. With that said, we are going to do our chant. Oh, I almost forgot. You're right. Thank you for the reminder, Vanessa. We have to do our stretches. So everybody stand up and reach for the ceiling. Oh, stretch, 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 stretch. Oh, doesn't that feel good? And touch your toes. Oh, and come up. There's Miss Mott. I thought I lost her. And roll your shoulders back. And roll them forward. And today, let's stretch out our arms. I felt like a stretch needed earlier. I needed a stretch earlier, rather. And the other way. And roll your head. Don't roll it too much, JP, because it might fall off. Oh, good job. Adrian would have had to catch it for you. All right. Okay. Huh? What?
I cracked when I did that.
Did it? Be careful. But that means that you probably need to stretch out a little more, Miss Mata.
I think you're right.
We do our Friday stretches every day. Every day. It's a great idea to stretch.
Good idea.
So, boys and girls, are you ready? Chelsea, you ready? All right. And 1, 2, 3. And one more time. All right, are you ready? Let's jog it out. I need a lot of energy today. Whoa, this was a long week, huh? Well, long, good, fast week. Does that make sense? Kind of not, huh? Okay, boys and girls, all right. Are you ready? Are you ready, Alina? Are you ready, Jaden and Ian? See you too, Brian. All right. Alex, are you ready? Okay. Are you ready, Miss Mata?
I'm ready.
Okay, here we go. In 1, 2, 3. I can
And I will have pride in myself and my school.
I can and I will
have a positive attitude.
I can and I will
make wise choices.
I can and I will
act safely.
Ready? I can and I will. I can and I will. I can and I will. Great job, boys and girls. Aiden, I saw you. You were doing a great job. Keep up the good work. And we will see you next week. Have a great day. Have a great weekend. Take care, boys and girls. Keep up the great work.